Good morning, guys. Marlon here. Do another pressure washing here in Naples, Florida. Yep, this is a community that have clients. So this neighborhood here, right now they found me in Tampa and told them that I have clients here on this area, and it's a maze. Pressure washing, brick, driveway, and his block. Moldy on it. Yep, it's right here right now. So 10:30, and I'm going to put my soap right now. Hold my hose reel out and lay down my magic solution. It's a soap anyway. Alright guys, see you later, and this time I put the finale. Thanks, bye bye.